Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy Friday. It sounds so strange to say Friday in my videos, but today I thought I would film a planner DIY for storage for your sticker kits. And if you guys want to make this too, I'm going to have everything that I'm using in this video listed below for you. So the first thing that I purchased was these punched pockets. These are the A5 size, and I don't know if it makes a difference, but these are micron strong. I don't even know what that means, but these are a lot thicker than regular pockets. The next thing that I purchased, I was kind of obsessed, and this is what kicked off this whole DIY video, was this little ring planner here. It's an A5 size and it's kind of like a hollow plastic planner, but I'm kind of obsessed with it. So it has a little clip here that opens up the rings. There are 6 rings in total, and obviously my pockets were not going to fit into this planner without me kind of adjusting where the holes are. All I had to do was just trim them down, and it was actually super easy. So I'm making a cut close to the larger holes and snipping off the kind of smaller hole. It would make more sense if you just watch what I'm doing rather than me try to explain. I'm not the best at explaining things. So once I'd finished, I just had this middle section left, and then you just need to go ahead and trim all of the pockets that you're going to need. Once you've finished trimming them all down, then you can just put all of your planner sticker kits inside. So I really like using these pockets rather than a photo album, because even with the bigger size kits, there's still a lot of room around it. So I'm not having to either trim a kit down just to fit it inside an A5 photo album, or having to kind of squish it up. There's just lots more room in it. So now I wanted to arrange my kits into different categories. I've got some full kits, I've got mini kits, I've also got some free printables mixed in here. I wanted a way to organise them to make it a little bit easier when I'm flipping through if I'm looking for a certain kit, or I've got in mind I want to use a foiled kit. This way it's going to be easier for me to have a look around. So the way that I was going to be doing that is I just made up these dividers. So these are A5 size, and then right at the top I've just added on a little tab. I've also labelled my tabs as well. So once I had printed them off onto some thick card, I just had to cut them out. Of course, my dividers had to have poppets on, but you can make your own dividers just using card and maybe your favourite washi, or you can print out some photos, print out a picture that you like, and you can stick it on top. If you have trouble cutting things out, even if you've got a line and you find it really hard to stay on the line, if you cut kind of slits around where you're going to be cutting, like I'm showing you here, it's a lot easier with your scissors, because when you're cutting you just have to cut a little bit and then that piece will drop off and then you move on to the next piece. It might help keep you a little bit straighter, and it kind of cuts away or takes away all of the excess, so that doesn't get in the way of your scissors or your hand while you're cutting things out. So once I've finished cutting them all out, I've got one divider for the free printables. I've also got another divider for monthly kits, one for weekly kits, one for mini kits, and then the last one is for foiled kits. I'm also going to be uploading these onto my Facebook page for you guys to download and use them for free as many times as you like and for whatever you like. So if you like these dividers, then make sure you check out my Facebook page. It's going to be linked in the description. So now I have to punch some holes to make them fit into my planner. There's lots of ways to do this. I was just lazy, laid my piece of card on top and kind of pushed down on the rings, which made a little indent, and then I took a pen and kind of circled around them. And then I'm going to be hole punching these holes out. You can make a template first if you like with paper, so you make sure you've got your holes in the right places. I was just honestly just being lazy. And then once I punched my holes, I was just checking that it fitted into the planner. Once I was happy, I just went and punched all of the other dividers. So now that I've punched all of my dividers, it was time to add my kits into the right section. So this is how I'm going to be storing my sticker kits, and I really love how this planner turned out. Kind of obsessed with it, mainly because it's shiny and hollow. I'm also going to be sorting out some storage for my other types of stickers, such as character stickers or the decorative stickers, because they're just one loose sheet instead of in a kit. If you would like to see some more sticker storage ideas for those types of stickers, then definitely let me know below, or just give this video a big thumbs up so I know to film one. Also, if you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I hope you've had a lovely week, and I will speak to you next time. Bye guys!